Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Tukzer Active Stylus Pencil for an iPad. It's a very basic packaging, as you can see, not much information. It's palm-free, magnetic attachment and fast charge. There's an image of what the stylus looks like, which is pretty sleek actually. It looks more like a pencil and it's written here, Active Stylus Pencil as expected. What else is there? Supports palm rejection, no need to use gloves, giving you an ultimate experience. Magnetic attraction, move the pen to the side of the volume button to close to the moment to attract. That's more or less it. This is basically designed for the iPad. It's written here, great replacement stylus pencil for your iPad for when you lose your original iPad stylus. So let's open it and see what the stylus actually looks like. It's nice packaging. There seems to be this is a leather, looks like a leather cover. We'll take a closer look. This is a Active Stylus Pencil instruction manual. Everything that you need to know, how to use it, how to set up, etc. can be found here. Let's keep this over here. This is a stylus tip, an extra tip, I think. Yeah, looks like it. I'm not going to open this up. Looks very sensitive. Keep this one here. This is a C-type charger for the stylus. There seems to be another element that has come up. This also looks like a cover for the C-type charger. Next, we have a warranty card. So keep this one here. And this is the stylus, the pencil. It's already on. As you can see, there's a blue light glowing here, and also USB-C type port right over here. This is how you charge it. And there's a cover over here. You can unscrew it as well. And yeah, this is what the stylus looks like. It also comes with a nice pouch. This pouch I'm going to open up and show you what it looks like. It looks like leather, but it's not. It's actually faux leather. But it's very well made. You can see the Tukzer logo over here. Has a nice finish to it. Has a nice strap over here as well. And has a nice color scheme as well. There's dark blue and dark yellow on the inside. Pretty cool. So this is where the stylus goes in, and you close it up like that. That's all you'll find inside the box containing the Tukzer Active Stylus Pencil for iPad. Thank you for watching.